to Noelle's kitchen. Today we're gonna make 3 snacks. And I'm gonna see if they're kid friendly. Let's get started. Today, is it easy for kids? How much help do you need from your mom? And if they're actually yummy. We're going to start with chocolate frozen banana pops. Let's start 4 bananas. See? Cut them in half, but you might need your mom's help now. So I used knives a couple of times. This one. Okay, we're finished. Now we're gonna peel it. Now we're gonna put this on the tray with parchment. So we are gonna get little things like this. If you have only these, that's fine too. So I'm gonna put it on there. I should have done it first when you have the, because it's really freaking. Now, see, we have a peeled one, so we're just gonna like, easy. That looks so funny. Now, peel them. We're finished. Now we're gonna make like a dip to put our bananas in. And so we're gonna like use my heart to put this much in. I'll show you that. Now blob. Now we're gonna take it to the microwave to melt it for 30 seconds and then stir, then 30 seconds to stir until it's all mixed in. Let's get started. I did like 2 times. It only took like 2 times. And like, you remember what I just said? 30 seconds, stir, stuff like that. So it should look like this. It shouldn't, don't do it like too clumpy. Like you don't want it to be clumpy, so yeah. It's not what you want. So now we're gonna get our bananas. We're gonna dump them. Okay, dip. This one falls in there. Oh, that's not bad so far. That was a little bit harder than I thought, but maybe you don't want them so ripe. So I'm gonna pop these in the freezer and just like put them in the freezer, and I'm gonna work on the next one. Bye now for a minute. Now we're gonna make no-bake monster cookies. So I'm just gonna clean this up real quick, and I'll come back. So we're gonna get 2.5 cups of oatmeal. 2. Okay, we all finished. Cup of peanut butter. Let's open it now. Do we need like at the tippy top? We want it to be perfect. We got a whole cup. Put it in here. Half a cup of honey. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're gonna get this little thing, mix it up. So now we're gonna add some chocolate chips and M&Ms. So just put half a cup. Half a cup of mini chocolate chips, but we don't have a lot of mini ones, so we're just gonna use big ones. So, I mean, it's fine. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna make our thing into balls. Our monster cookies. Let's try spoon instead because it was too sticky. No, I'm gonna eat it, so it's fine. This is really tricky. You should really get your mom for this part. Because my mom is way better. Now we're gonna put it in our refrigerator. And while they're in the refrigerator, we will work on our last. I forgot to put toppings on my banana, so I'm gonna go get my bananas to put all of this stuff on our bananas. And we're gonna put a little bit more chocolate on our bananas. So yeah, gonna put some just rainbow stuff on it because I love it. White chocolate. Might not know. Okay. Don't realize, oh, there's sprinkles. Now I'm gonna get some of this. So yeah. Now I'm gonna actually put some peanut butter on it. I just love peanut butter. My mom is kind of a weirdo. She does not like peanut butter. This is not turning out great, but sorry. I did not try to. Do you think that was gonna taste good? That was fun. So we're gonna make like basically like a pizza but with toast. And first put it in 400. Preheat your oven to 400. Let's get started. Oh, but first I feel like this one's gonna be really short. So I'm gonna get my little sauce and spread it on my bread. I'm using sourdough bread. I bet any kind of bread will work. If you don't have any sourdough bread, it's totally bizarre. Just kidding, it's fine. Now we're gonna top it with some cheese. We have frozen ones, so we're using this. Okay. I'm just gonna actually just like put it where you can't really see any sauce. I'll see you in the back like 2 minutes. Actually, a second. We're finished, like good enough. I'm gonna get some pepperoni. You can actually do how much ever you want. I'm just probably gonna maybe just do one. My brother loves pepperoni, so he's gonna say, yeah! You did pepperoni. Yeah. You did pepperoni. Mama. So I made a little face, 2 eyes, mouth. And now I'm gonna get some garlic powder. Just spread. Okay, let's put it in our oven. 5 seconds. Minutes. Okay.
No.
Let's
Okay.
try.
Like where? If I didn't know what it was, I would think it's ice cream. For a minute. Until I actually got into it for a while.
I don't like the peanut butter on it.
I actually really like this.
Because it has peanut butter, I'm going to say a 7 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10. This is actually really good.
You don't have peanut butter.
Okay.
Well, I really think it's just, I like it. But, yeah, I like it.
Is it a banana? Make one.
It's probably a 9 out of 10.
Let's try the pizza. I do not like that. Oh. Just like pizza, but
4 out
something's
of 10.
missing.
Yeah, something's
4 out
missing.
of 10.
4 out of 10.
Maybe
I think I put too much cheesy.
yeah, maybe it's a little too cheesy.
It just doesn't taste right.
I think
Bread and pizza.
I think it's maybe like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Maybe 6. 6.5.
Probably just
Now the last.
5 out of 10.
Okay. Oh, 10 out of 10 for sure.
Just peanut butter.
Can I eat the rest?
Yeah. It was very good. Now I want to eat the rest.
A 9 3/4.
You don't like it?
A 9 3/4 is like the highest you can get to 10, except for 10.
Oh. I gotta say a 10 out of 10. Why did you say it so weird? All you have to say 10 out of 10. You don't have to say, I gotta
10,
say
10 out of 10.
a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I don't know. My favorite was the bananas.
My favorite was the cookie.
Yeah.
My favorite was this.
Wow. The banana was my favorite.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Mundo.
Cookie. No, banana.
Well, I think we could just pause this now.
No, you can give what you want to say, and you can just eat.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe down below. So,
Subscribe, not subscribe to the book.
subscribe, and
Give it a thumbs up.
find me on Facebook, and
Do you have any friends?
do you have
any kid-friendly recipes that Noelle can try? Because she'd love to try them. I promise she would definitely do it.
Send to us on Giddy Creations
Facebook.
Give this a thumbs up.
God
Bless, and see you next time. Bye bye. 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 I know I already said that, but asthma chocolate chip like
How is I
snacks. But I'm gonna see if there actually are snacks. This is not good. This is not good. I'll just eat all those. Now, we're gonna do it.